Welcome to the Griddle Guys. Welcome to our channel where you can hang out and watch Chris screw Jeff and I over when it comes to dinner. Rather than chicken wings that you see here or steaks like we cooked last week, we get cauliflower.
Where did that just come from?
How to make cauliflower not suck. That's what today's video is. You guys are gonna like it.
I'm doubtful. Stick around.
Okay, so list of ingredients. It's not too difficult. Definitely not a Jeff cook. Brown sugar, cauliflower, sesame seed, a little bit of butter, some garlic.
Lazy man's garlic.
Lazy man's got, yeah.
Lazy man's garlic is the way to go these days.
You gotta use twice as much though. Anyways.
Orange juice and sriracha. Love the sriracha. I'm gonna put this all together, show you guys how to make the sauce, okay? Like I said, I haven't said yet, I go to a restaurant that's very local here, and they make this appetizer. It's a crispy cauliflower. What they do is they take that, they put an orange chili glaze on it, okay?
So it's almost like orange beef at the Chinese food place.
I guess, I'm not sure. I don't know. I've never really asked how they cook it or how they do it, but I'm trying to figure it out and I practice a little bit, and I think I'm pretty close. They might deep fry it, the cauliflower. I'm not gonna do that.
They probably
do.
If I was a betting man.
Yeah.
I think they deep fry it. So we're gonna try it out, guys. See if I can come even real close, see what these guys think of it. Stick around. All right, time to make the sauce.
The magic
glaze,
sauce.
The glaze, the magic
sauce, right, Chris?
I'm gonna start with
Hold on, let me check.
that much garlic, Jeff. What do you think? Tablespoon?
That is the
Not
equivalent of 1 clove of garlic. That is 3 cloves of garlic.
Too close.
How
You
long?
can't
Let's do
go
this.
wrong.
Put as much garlic in as you want or don't want.
Yes. And I got my heat on. I'm gonna turn it up actually a little bit. We want to bring this, we're going to mix this all together and bring it up to a boil. So we're going to start with the garlic. I'm going to go right into the sriracha, Nate.
I watched Chris fill these measuring cups, and what I've determined is
It's so
this sauce is 50% sriracha
That's 1 cup of sriracha.
to 1 cup of orange juice.
Not even a cup, I don't think.
We haven't got the orange juice. Don't skip ahead. Relax. Relax. We got that. 1 cup of brown sugar. So I did measure these, but again, I've been practicing this a little bit this week.
Chris, I was impressed you measured anything.
Is that light or brown sugar or dark sugar?
I don't know, Jeff. There's the bag if you want to look. That's a good question. I'm not sure.
It's light.
It is light orange juice.
3/4 cup of orange juice.
More than 50%, just saying.
So we are going to bring this to a boil.
Is that it? Nothing else? No butter? No nothing?
We're actually going to throw a little bit of sesame seed.
Does that go in the sauce?
Goes right in the sauce, mate. That much.
Teaspoon.
Bring this to a boil. We're gonna mix it up a little bit, bring it to a boil. The sugar's already melted. It's already got that smell that I'm looking for. Once it gets to a boil, we're gonna take it down to a simmer for 20 minutes. So
20 minutes?
drink up, boys.
20 minutes?
I'll be laying on the floor when the camera goes back on.
We just got to a boil. That took about, I don't know what, 4 minutes, 5 minutes? And then I'm gonna put the timer on for 20 minutes. Nate, you
Focus.
smell that? You excited?
Look at that focus.
Yeah, it smells like pepper sauce.
But it's got orange juice in it.
Don't
One of your
even
favorite
think about
things. So 20 minutes, time to prep the cauliflower. We're actually gonna go out on the griddle. Imagine we're gonna go outside. Now I'm gonna put you to work.
I'll take care of the camera gear in here, watch stuff. And
No, you gotta come outside.
Do the dishes.
Actually, Jeff, while you got that, let's talk about the chicken wings we made.
Got a nice gift in the mail from
Monsters.
Mike and
Dawn. Mike and Dawn from Monsters Barbecue in Dakota.
North Dakota.
Yeah.
Very small town. What do you say, 350, 450?
Yeah, 350 people.
Yeah, 350 people.
Runs a barbecue joint.
Yeah, runs a restaurant with sells barbecue sauce and rubs. Sent us a package, very nice. Couple rubs, couple sauces.
These are pretty
towels,
neat.
Nate.
Yeah.
Those are really neat.
Towels with a built-in carabiner for hanging them.
You'll see when we go outside. I already got one out there on my griddle.
Yeah, really nice gift.
Mike, we appreciate it. Mike and Dawn, thank you so much.
And what's on the wings?
I've actually used his GPS sauce as rub. Just made some chicken wings for these guys when they came over with the sweet heat barbecue sauce.
They were delicious too.
And
Really,
I'll tell
really
you,
good.
it's a good fit. I love it.
You got guilted into making the chicken wings because you're feeding us cauliflower for breakfast.
Well,
for dinner.
we're having chicken wings too. And drinks.
Just admit it.
It's true. But Mike and Dawn, thank you guys so much. We appreciate
Yes,
you.
thank you. Good stuff too. Very delicious.
Yeah, very good. Very impressive. And you guys are awesome. We really, really thank you for that.
Let's get the cauliflower on the.
All right, stay tuned.
So my thought process is a shallow fry, and You know, I got the 22-inch here, so I'm gonna try to load that up with a good amount of oil. I'm using vegetable oil. It is cold in this garage. This could take a while, but there's all our cauliflower. And of course, I brought 0 cooking tools out here. Nice job, guys.
Looks good. Keep it up.
So I'll use my hands. There we go. Gonna let this sit. I'm actually gonna put this down. Gonna
Set it
wait
and forget it.
about 7 minutes or so. Check it. Maybe do a couple flips, a little moving around. See how it goes. Been about 10 minutes. They've been sitting here, and they are definitely. It's cold out, so this has been a little tougher than, a little more challenging than I thought it would be. But we are definitely browning, if not blackening, which is okay. Not a big deal. But we're gonna keep it going. Listen, I'm not the first one to say if this doesn't work, it doesn't work. But hopefully Nate's not talking too much or peeing right now.
We both were the entire time.
Okay.
A little heads up would have been nice.
That's all right. Well, I can't wait for you guys all night. I'll be here all day. Sabotage my video, these guys, the nerve. We're gonna give this a little more time. Sauce is just about done. It's been about 20 minutes now on the griddle.
It looks good, nice and roasty.
You know, I think we're good. You know, like I said, I came on here and I just flipped it over, and it is a little bit darkening.
Yeah.
But that's kind of what I like. Not a big problem. This is gonna be good. I'm not worried about it. We actually have some more time. Just flip it around a little bit, moving it places.
That was definitely a criticism. It's not getting dark, it's darkening, like room darkening shades.
Smells good inside.
The sauce is just about done. You just set it shut off.
Yeah.
These guys are inside staying nice and warm while I'm freezing my butt off out here.
Pretty cold out here.
You're gonna use your tagline?
What's that?
Who made the sauce?
Who made the sauce? I made the sauce. I am the sauce. Stick around. That's it, Jeff. The cauliflower is cooked. As good as cauliflower can get good.
It's got a nice char
Got a nice little char on it. The biggest thing right now is how well is this sauce gonna perform? And I'm actually excited about it because I think it's gonna knock it out of the park. Sauce is good to get out of here. Nate just said sauce is good to go. Perfect. So we are gonna take this out, get back in the house where it's nice and warm, make a plate, have these guys test it. All right, so cauliflower is done. We got it off the griddle.
Looks amazing.
Came out perfect, very happy. It's time to make this cauliflower not suck. So we're gonna toss
And sauce.
and sauce. Let's get it going. We sauced it. We tossed it. Time to plate it up. And I'll tell you what, already the smell is perfect, the look is pretty good.
And I cheated and tried a piece.
It's delicious, yeah, I already had some. It's good stuff.
Look at that. Look, oh, let's get all that deliciousness right on there. Look at that sauce still on there. Yep.
I'm gonna tell you right now, Chris, I like the roasty black parts the best.
Oh, this came out great. Very happy with this. So I'm gonna garnish it a little bit. A little more sesame seeds, not too much. Yep, green onion. You okay with that,
Excuse
Jeff?
me? Yeah.
Jeff, as you look left and you got the camera in your hand, how's your
God bless you, Jeff, for that well-covered sneeze.
Quick sneeze.
little green onion, guys? Come on, bang. I'm gonna do this right now. You guys ready for this?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, done!
Oh, I was gonna say charades, my bad.
Charades. Done! I couldn't be happier. This came out great. We're gonna taste test for you, show you guys.
Smells and looks
A
fabulous.
nice
Chris.
appetizer.
It
You're
looks
gonna
like
love
my
it.
General Chicken.
General Gao's chicken?
Yeah.
This is very close to what I'm talking about at the restaurant that I go to get this. Very close. There's a little thicker, a little darker, but this, I'm happy with.
That's what she said.
I was waiting for it.
No. Oh, Jesus. So we're all done. Jeff had a couple tastes. Nate is still eating it.
Stuff's delicious.
I think it came out fantastic. Very close to what I was looking for the restaurant that I go to. It's not as brown, it's not as dark, but it tastes very...
I don't know what they make, but that is off the hook right there.
That is outstanding.
That
Chris.
is, I can definitely see Super Bowl party putting that in a half 10, a full 10, and it will sit there in a warmer for hours, and I'm sure it'd be good.
Yeah, it's gonna hold well, but man, what a delicious sweet heat.
Delicious.
So you guys are telling me that I found a way to make cauliflower not suck.
Yeah, by making it unhealthy. Exactly.
Yeah.
Add sugar.
I don't care, Jeff. I'll take it.
Add sugar to anything that tastes better.
Delicious.
Try it out, guys. I'll tell you what, it is something that I actually go to every time I go to this restaurant, only because it is so good. It tastes phenomenal. Give it a whirl. Very close to it. Do your own tweaks like I do. I don't even know what I'm doing half the time. Give it a whirl.
He doesn't. He doesn't.
Hey, and as
You're right.
usual, we get so busy cooking and having fun that we forget to say like, subscribe. That would help us.
Yes. In the comments. Hit us up in the comments as much as you can. Share as much as you can. That's how we get out there, and that's how YouTube looks at it. So we appreciate it. We love you guys, and
see you in the next video.
Video.
Thanks for joining.